Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I am going to write a program in C programming to check whether the number entered by the user is Armstrong or not. तो अभी आप सोच रहे होंगे कि Armstrong number क्या होता है. So let me tell you, Armstrong number is such a number, it's a 3-digit number, so that the sum of cubes is equal to the number itself. तो अगर आप उस नंबर के क्यूब्स को सम करोगे, इफ यू फाइंड द सेम नंबर, देन यू वुड से दैट नंबर इज आर्मस्ट्रॉन्ग नंबर. सो टेक अ एग्जांपल ऑफ दिस नंबर. तो हमने एक नंबर लिया 153. तो अगर आप 1 का क्यूब करो प्लस 5 का क्यूब करो प्लस 3 का क्यूब करो, व्हेन यू डू दिस यू गॉट द सेम नंबर. 1 क्यूब 1, 5 क्यूब इज 125 प्लस 3 क्यूब इज 127. तो हमने सबको जब प्लस करा, वी फाउंड द नंबर इटसेल्फ, वी फाउंड 153. So now I would say that this number 153 is an Armstrong number. तो अगर आप इसको कोड करना चाहो, let's say you are asking a user कि आप एक नंबर एंटर करो, आप उसको बताएं कि ये नंबर Armstrong है या नहीं. So that is what we are going to do in the program. So let's get start with the program, guys. So here is my program. तो program is very simple. We have to do actually some calculations part in this. तो हमें रिमाइंडर कैलकुलेट, हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा, वी हैव टू डिवाइड द नंबर, वी हैव टू फाइंड द रिमाइंडर एंड उसका क्यूब करके ऐड करना पड़ेगा. सो फॉर दैट वी हैव टू परफॉर्म दीज 3 बेसिक ऑपरेशंस. वेरी इजी इट इज, आपको समझ लग जाएगी. चेक कीजिए क्या करा मैंने. आई जस्ट डिक्लेयर्ड अ वेरिएबल n, तो जिसमें मैं यूजर को बोलूंगी कि एंटर अ नंबर जिसका आपको क्या फाइंड करना है कि ये नंबर आर्मस्ट्रॉन्ग है या नहीं. सो यूजर विल एंटर दैट नंबर इन n. Then I have taken a variable so that I'll copy the value of n in a, because n के ऊपर मैं apply कर दूंगी some operations, so its value get changed, it will become 0 at the end. तो आपको compare करना है कि ये number जो user ने enter करा था and the number that you got after the calculation is same or not. तो इसलिए मैंने वो copy करके रख लिया safer side के लिए. Then for calculating we need to calculate remainder, so I have declared a rem variable to store the remainder. Then we need another variable to find out the result, so I have taken a variable with the name result and I initialize it with 0 value. Fine. So very first step that I perform is I have asked the user to enter a 3-digit number. तो मैं user को बोल रही हूँ कि enter करो एक 3-digit number. So I have written scanf %d %n. So user is entering a 3-digit number. See, I am not here check that what the user is entering 3-digit number because I am assuming that user will enter. तो अगर यहाँ पे आप एक if condition लगा के चेक करना चाहते हो, you can apply that thing as well. But I am not using I am assuming that user is entering 3-digit number. ठीक है? तो after entering the value, user has entered that number in n variable. So whatever the value present in n variable, I want to check whether it is an Armstrong number or not. तो मुझे n को चेक करना है. तो मैंने पहले क्या करा है, I just copied the value of n and stored in a variable for the safer side. Now I want to check whether this n value which is entered by the user is Armstrong number or not. तो उसके लिए मैंने एक while loop लगाई and in the while loop I am performing some calculations. I'll explain this with the help of example. तो पहले मैं क्या चेक कर रही हूँ, I'm checking whether the number entered by the user is not equals to 0. कहीं 0 तो नहीं एंटर कर दिया, 3 0 तो नहीं एंटर कर दिए. So I am checking if it is not equals to 0, then I'll calculate first remainder. How to calculate remainder? Number modulus 10. तो जो रिमाइंडर आएगा उसको क्या कर रहे हैं हम, एक रिजल्ट वेरिएबल के साथ ऐड करके प्लस वी आर डूइंग द क्यूब ऑफ रिमाइंडर. वी आर डूइंग द क्यूब ऑफ रिमाइंडर एंड एडिंग इनटू रिजल्ट. सो इनिशियल वैल्यू ऑफ रिजल्ट इज 0. Then we are doing the third thing is the number that we have taken, we are dividing it with 10 and taking the number. Again we will check that number. तो अगर वो number 0 नहीं है, then we will do what? We will again start the loop and perform these operations. तो let's show you these operations with the help of example. तो आपको ये अच्छे से समझ आएंगे. I'll show you the example, guys. Okay, so let's take the example. I am taking the number as 153 here. So I'll just try this one and I'll show you how we can say that this number is Armstrong. तो ये operations जो हमें perform करने हैं, जो मैंने अभी discuss करे आपके साथ, let's I'll apply on this number. So first thing, when you are doing it for the first iteration of the loop, while loop, so it will check this thing, it will keep on checking this thing, it will check whether this number 153 is not equals to 0. Yes, 153 is not equals to 0, so we'll come inside the loop and we are checking what? 153 modulus 10. So when you divide this 153 with 10, you get what? You get 3 remainder. When you get 3 remainder, तो अभी result value की initial variable की initial value क्या थी? 0. So we are doing result is equals to 0 plus 3 cube. 3 multiply 3 times. So we got result value as 23. तो अभी next step क्या है? Number that is 153 divided by 10. So when you divide it by 10, you got 15 as the answer. So first iteration completed. Now your number is still 15, it's not equals to 0. It means you have to again perform this loop, because this loop will keep on working till number not equals to 0. So you have to keep on iterating into the loop. So we go to the second iteration. It says remainder is equals to number modulus 10. So हम दोबारा से remainder calculate करेंगे. So अगर आप 15 को divide करोगे 10 से, you will get 5 remainder. And then you are calculating result. Result is equals to 27, because the previous value of result is 27. So we'll take it here. 27 plus remainder cube. Now what is the value of remainder we got? 5. 5 into 5 into 5. So if you do 27 plus 125, you got it as 152. तो अब दोबारा next thing is we have to do number divided by 10. So what is our number? 15. 15 divided by 10, you got number as 1. So when you got it, still your number has not become 0. It means तो आपको दोबारा से loop को iterate करना है. So I'll start the third iteration. The same thing, you will calculate the remainder 1 modulus 10. तो अगर आप 1 को divide करोगे 10 से, you will get remainder as 1. Fine. So you are doing same thing. Result is equals to result plus remainder cube. So what is result in my previous iteration? I got the value of result as 152. तो वही वैल्यू हम यहाँ पे लिखेंगे 152 plus 1 multiply 1 multiply 1. So 152 plus 1 cube comes out to be 153. And next thing is number that is 1 divided by 10, you got number as 0. So number 0 बन गया और आपके पास result की वैल्यू क्या आ गई? 153. Now you will come out of the loop. The loop will get stop executing. Now you got this number result. अब इस result को क्या check करना है? Compare करना है with the number entered by the user. If both are same, तो हम क्या बोल सकते हैं? Yes, this number is an Armstrong number. तो अब next step रह गया एक perform करने वाला. I'll just show you it in the coding part. I'll open the compiler and show it to you. So see, we have performed this loop and we have executed this loop and we come out of this loop. So after coming the loop, I got the number which is stored in this result variable. So I am checking this if condition, if result equals to A. Why I am checking with A? Because जो number user ने enter करा था that was in n variable, जो भी क्या हो गया n की value 0. So that's why I just copied that in A variable. तो अभी मैं इसको A के साथ compare कर रही हूँ. And if this condition is true, if it is equal to, I can say yes, this number is Armstrong number. I can print that number. Otherwise, in the else part, I can say no, my number is not Armstrong number. So here in this example, we took the value of n as 153. So obviously it comes to be as an Armstrong number. But अगर आप कोई और value लेके check करोगे, so this calculations will be performed. अगर तो वो equivalent हुआ, जो भी हमारा calculation करने के बाद आया with the number entered by the user, then we can say it's Armstrong. अगर equivalent नहीं हुआ, तो we cannot say it's an Armstrong. So let's say I'll execute this code. I'll enter any random number first. I'll enter like 1, 2, 3 number, 3-digit number 1, 2, 3. So when I entered this, I got 1, 2, 3 is not an Armstrong number. So I'll try another number. Let's suppose I enter the number as 153. So see, 153 is an Armstrong number. So we got the output like 153 is an Armstrong number. So it's a easy program. It looks like a difficult, but it's very easy. It's simple calculations we need to perform and we will be able to find the number is Armstrong or not. I hope this video is clear to all of you. If it is helpful for all of you, then you please like my channel and subscribe it for more programs to come. And one thing guys, if you know more Armstrong numbers, put them in comment section. Write down the numbers that you know that are Armstrong. Write down in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video guys. Thank you very much.